Yes, welcome everyone to this channel. My viewers, I welcome you to this particular video. Yes, we are going to be I'm taking you through the topic on this particular video. Alright, if this is your first time joining us, okay, you are welcome. And if you've been on this channel, you are also welcome. Never mind, this is your first time, but you are surely going to gain a whole lot on this channel, on this page. Alright, it's Kusama on the line. I'm going to be talking on these topics which I have listed and prepared for you right now, and we're going to commence like this. Now, we all know the current trend in this social activities right now. We are talking about the AI, artificial intelligence, and I'll be showing you about 4 academic AI tools that are useful when it comes to AI utility, how useful they can be, and what functions they are. And these are the 4 listed. Now there are so many of them out there. Alright, there are so many out there that online you can make use of. I can't even list all of them, okay, but these are selected ones that I have tried, I have used, and I've been able to come across them, and can be able to tell about them for your own use. Okay, with this I'm going to share with you right now. You just have to pick your pen and jot them down, because they are all similar, but there are some different features and functions they are meant to perform for the various needs which each and everyone have desire to get with these platforms. First of all, I'll be mentioning the particular one which came out for a long time ago, and that's they call the ChatGPT. Alright, now ChatGPT itself has so many alternatives. Alright, ChatGPT. So I'm going to type it now so you can see what I'm talking about. ChatGPT itself has a lot of varieties out of a lot of other alternatives, which I'm going to share with you on this video. Each of these, they all have different functions. Alright, they all have different functions that they're going to be that they perform for the users. Alright, now we have AI tools that can do voiceovers, we have AI tools that can do search work for you, that can create pictures and stuff like that, and all of that. Alright, now this ChatGPT, for you can see ChatGPT. Once you go to your Chrome browser, you're going to click on it. It has free version, it has paid version. Now take note of that. Number one, it has free version, it has paid version. Now there is kind of some features that are present on the free version that the paid version have in advance. For example, when you get to the paid version, there is no limit. There is free access to so many stuff under the ChatGPT itself. But for the free version, you just get to click on it and you make your searches. Alright, you just click on the ChatGPT itself. It should direct you and take you to the ask option there. Once you get to that point, it's going to see what it will show. So let's click into that place. So there are other alternatives I'm going to tell you about, but right now we are starting with this particular one, because every other one which I'm going to be telling you right now, so like I was saying, every other one I'm going to be using have the same function. They all have similar functions, which I'm going to be sharing with you. So all you just need to do now is to stay to the end of this particular video, okay, because I'm going to be breaking them for you, showing you the differences and their functions and all of that they're going to do. Alright, so now if you click on your ChatGPT where you get to log into the app, you're going to see it will bring you to this what can I help with, ask questions. Alright, as soon as you click on that, if you are signed into the chat GPT itself with your login details, is going to bring out what I call it's going to bring out your history of what you have searched so far on the bot itself. Okay, it's going to share with you the history of what you have uh search, so you can be able to continue from that direction. But if you don't log in, you can also make your searches. All right, there's no limit to that. Once you click on your Google and you all just come in, you're going to see where it will just tell you to search your work and you get it. But the thing is that after 24 hours, if you go there, you are not going to see the thing you stop where you stop from. You need to now start all over again. But when you have a login details, whether it's free or paid, you'll be able to continue from wherever you stop, and the self will also be programmed in the way that you want it to suit in. Right, there's also another one that we're talking on. Yeah, and that's secondly is called Google Gemini. All right, I will show you the app right now. You get to see the app. Right, the Google Gemini 2, it's not so far different from the ChatGPT. All are still AI tools, but they are all with different additional features to it. Okay, now it's very useful in the academic sector. When we talk about the academic activity, it's very useful, it's helpful. So let me take you to the bots. It's to the Gemini app itself. You can get the app itself on the Play Store. Alright, you can get the Google Gemini app itself on the Play Store. Now you can see the Gemini app right now. It says you can create image, write anything, build an idea, and at the top right corner you can see the X logo. Yeah, that's my email, login email. Yes, when you sign up into the app too, you're able to get in this login email. Now, just like I said previously, that you're able to get your history. That's the reason why you also log in. So most of these Gemini, Google, and AI apps or tools, they have the advantage because of when you log into through it. Alright. So when you log into the pattern, you will sign up to the app AI application. It will be able to help you store your history or previous history of whatever you have been searching before. Though you can also erase it if you want to, but it's more preferred when you do such compared to when you just log in and do your stuff and go off. Alright, now hearing it all depends on the function of what you want to do. For example, if you want to create an image, you just give it a prompt. Let's see this kind of prompt. Now you also want to write an image, you also need a prompt. You want to also build an idea or business plan, you need a prompt. Now I want to write this. Okay, I need a prompt education activities. Okay, I need a prompt education activities. And okay, now it all depends on how you're going to coin your stuff. All right, you need a very good ideology to get a very good result. So you should be able to coin your text in a very good way that the system is going to understand, or else it's going to bring another option. Though it will give you some highlights, but it will bring another option. Now are you getting me? So first of all, I'm supposed to click on this create image. Are you getting now? If you just drop this prompt from you, it's going to bring out text and think for you, like I want to think some things and write a long note for you. All right, but what you need to do, the system AI itself is directed by prompts. It's called prompts. When you give it a command, those are commands are referred to as prompts. So you should have a well detailed crafted script or prompts to give it so it can generate something relevant and important as you need it. Okay. So now I'm tracing it in this way, that create an image of a modern classroom with necessary academic equipment. Now if you want to create a slide, for example, you want to create a slide and make use of a slide by using this your AI tool. Alright, it can also generate something in fantastic outlook for you. But first of all, we have to give it the direction where it will be able to give us this, because when you just post like this, it's going to tell you, okay, do you want image, do you want this, do you want this? No, what you just make sure you click on create image, then you paste this prompt. Are you getting now? When you press the prompt, okay, create an image of a modern classroom with necessary academic equipment. By doing that, it now knows where you are going from, where you're going to, where you're coming from, and what you need to give you what you require. At the end of the day, when it gives you the stuff it's made of, what you now do, you have to now coin it in a way that suits to your interest. Good. Now you see what I'm talking about. I just told you create an image, and exactly, it just brought out image of a modern classroom that has gadgets inside, has chairs, it has tablets, it's got pads, pen, glasses, it's got specimen, projector, like a classroom setting itself. You get. So these are the ideology about this stuff. Now I will delete it. Okay, I'm just trying to do this for example purpose, right? Or else it's going to store on my system as this what I need. So if I also want it to give me other uh uh different types of images, all I just need for it to do is to click on the search button again and tell it remodify. Once I tell it to remodify stuff like that, it's going to recreate and think other ways and stuff like that and make it easy. You get it? It's gonna do this where you have to go sit down, start designing, bring PNG pictures together, make them together, brings different 5 pictures together, and change the background, remove the background color, put stuff like that. That's what the whole difference the AI system has made in terms of designing and creating pictures or image or slides. All right, now even this AI tool Gemini can also create slides for you, but I think if you want to watch that, just comment slide in the comment section so I can be able to do a video on that for you in the next video. Okay, how to use Google Gemini to create slides for yourself or for your work. All right, now editing has been made so easy with AI tools. It just depends on how knowledgeable you are in terms of these tools and how you can apply them. All right, how you can put them to practices and how you can also use them to get what you need to, what you intend to get. Now, if you have listened so far to this point, yeah, you will see have two more we're going to be talking about. Okay. So but don't forget, because I'm doing this video because of my viewers and every one of you that come across this video, so you can be able to benefit from this video because it's very educative. I've talked about ChatGPT, I talked about Gemini. These two apps are very good in academic activities. You can use them for everything about your academics and they can be very useful, helpful. Apart from this other two, we also have Perplexity. That's from what you call it, WhatsApp. All right, so Perplexity is WhatsApp, is an AI under WhatsApp. They like collaborated with the WhatsApp media tool or technology. All right, it's also used in terms of for your creativity to ask questions as well as do other stuff and create, write text or image or thesis or whatever you need to do or for your academic activity. And the last one I also saw come across about and I've checked is Grammarly. Grammarly helps to correct all your English and all errors that you seem to find in your text or content or what you going to write, so your academic activity. So this particular four app, they have different functions and that can be very useful. There are so many of them, but I just don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to make it as much as this. So if you have been able to listen to this point, make sure you don't forget to click on the subscribe button and like, comment, like section here. All right, and before from now another video will also be loading, but till then I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much. See you later.